I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering exactly what the site collects and why. This is the foundation. Once done, list legal bases for each data type: consent, contract, legitimate interest, so mapping aligns with obligations. Make sure to note third parties that receive data, including analytics and payment providers, because you must disclose transfers. Also capture retention periods and contact details for your data protection officer or contact point, so the policy is actionable and complete. Next, you draft the policy with clear headings: what you collect, why, how it's used, and retention. Once drafted, explain user rights, access, rectification, erasure, and provide a contact and an effective date so users know when terms apply. Make sure to add specifics for minors, cross-border transfers, and any automated decision-making. Use plain language. Complex legalese confuses users. Finally, test readability and completeness by comparing against your gathered inventory. To finish, publish the policy to a stable HTTPS URL on your domain and verify mobile responsiveness so users can read on any device. Then link it prominently in the footer, sign-up forms, and any app listing, so it's discoverable at point of collection. Once live, implement versioning and update notifications. Make sure changes are logged and users are informed. If a regulator or user disputes the policy, review your inventory and hosting logs first to resolve inconsistencies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.